Let me show you a quick tip to get more views on your YouTube Shorts. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I'm here on my YouTube channel dashboard, and I wanted to show you a quick, fast, and easy way to get more views on your shorts that you might not be doing currently. So here's how it goes. When you're in your channel dashboard, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see here Community tab. If you've never posted on your Community tab, you'll see something like make your first post, something like that. A lot of YouTubers underutilize this tool that YouTube has given you. So I'm going to click on Go to Community tab. Basically what the Community tab is in a nutshell, it's kind of like a Facebook news feed. And you can post all different kinds of stuff on your Community tab. You can see here you can post an image, you can post a poll, a text poll, this one's an image poll, a quiz, or a video. And I'll just quickly show you some of the posts. This is reposting a video. This is a poll that we do. This is an image for when we go live. So basically, to get more views on your shorts, what you can do is post your shorts in the Community tab. Now the cool thing about the Community tab is people who are not subscribed to your channel possibly will see this. If someone has watched a video or engaged with your video of some sort, they've clicked like or they watched a certain amount, they can potentially see your community post. They don't necessarily need to be subscribed to your channel. That's why this is so powerful. So to post your short, click on video. You can put the exact link here, or if it's a recent short, you can go to your YouTube videos and you can scroll and find your latest one. This one right here. I'm just going to click select. This is a short. I can tell because it's like vertical like that. And I already know I posted this recently, so I know that this is a short. Click select, and you want to give a caption to this short, right? Probably something different than what's the title, right? This is a quick short talking about a side hustle that you can do with your cell phone to make money. So all you do is add a quick text like that, click post, and then boom, there you go. Your short has just been reposted. It's kind of like giving it a second life, and people who are not subscribed and subscribed will potentially see this. Obviously, we don't know exactly how the algorithm works, but this is going to get like a second wind with me posting here. You can also schedule your posts on here as well. So I just did this right now in real time, but I could have scheduled this out if I wanted to. So that is a quick and easy way to get more views to your YouTube shorts, basically giving it a second wind. If you're interested in earning full-time online income with your YouTube channel, head down to the description below as we have a free training for you. It basically goes through how we make 5 figures plus a month with our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.